Diba? She will live up to the name of Samboy Lim. Oh, diba? First, unang tira pala ni Jamie. Pasok agad.
They're off to a great start here.
Pasok agad, tatlo para sa Team Blue. Dokum. Pumasok rin ang tres.
4 for 4 so far for Team Blue.
Miss, ka-4. Short. Time mo yan, Jamie. Uy! Muntik pa.
Almost there. Meron lang konting confusion sa rebounding strategy.
Diretso ay short.
So they got all kinds of time right now.
At may oras. Ito, Dokum. Tira na 4. Short na ng konti. Kaya pa. Marami pa kayong oras. Team Blue.
Oh! Off the window! 107 unofficially nakuha yung pang-limang tira.
And they're in the lead. Jamie, malapit yun. Malapit, Jamie. Muntik na, muntik na.
Puntik na yung cameraman.
Muntik na si Tristan, yung cameraman natin. Ayan na! Oy! Binit. Dokum.
40 seconds.
Diretso, ulang na.
Si Baptiste na naman, titira dito.
Clutch eh, clutch.
30 seconds.
And it's Miss Jamie coming up.
Kailangan natin kay Jamie pasipa eh.
Pwede. Almost
Oy,
there.
bitin! 15 seconds. Ayan na! Uy, muntik. Malapit yun. May oras pa kayo. 7 seconds.
Mula Tondo hanggang Canton.
Uy! Malapit.
Although they did not complete it, nasa 107. Pero pakinggan natin yung
And
official
Team
announcement.
Blue made shot number 5 at the 1 minute 7.5 second mark.
I was off by
0.5.
0.5.
Malapit na malapit
Once
yun.
again, this
That
is
is going to be tough to beat.
daily fantasy
107.5 will be
Showstars.
the number to beat.
Our next team
That's
is
40
Team
seconds
White,
ahead
composed of
of
CJ Casino,
Team Dark
Mayor
Blue
of San
earlier.
Juan
So,
City,
malayo na
Mayor
yun.
Francis Zamora.
Si
Mr. Jonas Terada of The Inquirer,
Blue.
TV5 courtside reporter, Miss Apple David, and Erwin Garzon.
Ayun na nga.
Ang ganda kasi nung simula eh. Napakaganda nung simula para sa team.
Again, yun yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. You have to start strong dito sa Shooting Star para may oras kayo mong mintis dun sa malalayong tira.